So hey guys, so I wanted to make a follow-up video. I got a lot of questions about the upgrade I did to the Polestar with the faster infotainment system. So you see, I'm gonna do a real life showcase. So how do I experience the car itself when it's with the newer system? The annoyances, a couple of questions of you guys. So I'm going to let's see, to play some basketball. So normally when I go in the car and my wife had the car the day before, the profile switched. So what I do is I switch profiles. It takes normally 1 to 2 minutes. You see how fast it is now. So profile loaded. So you see. So this is not the right profile. This is the profile of my wife. But normally when I do this, it takes about 5 minutes, 4 minutes to switch to my own profile and to start all the apps and the cams. So I'm now gonna switch back to my profile. Oh, I can do this when I drive. That's right. So let's do it now and drive further. So let's go. So I'm going to a new place to play some basketball. Let's see the place. The name is called Hoogstraat Revalidatie Sporthal. Okay, I can say it aloud. Navigeer naar de Hoogstraat Revalidatie Sporthal Utrecht.
Prima, de Hoogstraat Revalidatie. Laten we gaan.
You see how quick this is. This is so a life improvement for owners of the Polestar. So Cam walks flawlessly. Let's see. It's always tricky here. It's always crowded in Utrecht. Some fat bikes coming over. Stopping middle of the road. Hoppa. Let's see. Let's go. So like 30-minute drive. So normally I start off my music. So with the old Intel Atom system, the system lags till I'm like off the street on the highway, and then it drives normal. So play some of the music. So you guys asked a lot of questions. Thank you for that. I try to answer them all. It doesn't always, with my busy schedule, work out to answer all those questions. But I want to explain a couple of questions you asked. So the number one question is, was it worth it? So is it worth it to pay like what is it, $1,000, €1,000 for this upgrade? It all depends on you. If I look at myself, I'm a tech savvy guy. I like to have new things, new technology, to have the fastest on my hand. I switch phones, I think sometimes every 9-10 months. When there's a new phone on the block, I get annoyed when it starts lagging. So when I look at my own car, so it's a big purchase, you know, to buy your own car. So I bought this car like when it was 1 year old, so it was a huge payment. And the first annoyance of this car, so let me say the honeymoon phase, it was all great, right? So the car's fast, the range is good, it handles well, but the infotainment lags. It lags a lot. So when I buy every year a new phone, I get top of the chart performance, no problems. When I step in my car and do some things here, it's not reliable. So I'm on a long journey. I want to switch from EV stations to charge. It lags. It sometimes freezes. I need to do resets. So I was restarting this car like let's say every week, minimal. So So is it worth it? It's up to you. For me, it's 100% worth it. Will I do it again? Definitely. I would better not upgrade my phone every year, so I skip 1 year and do the pay and put the payment in my car, because the car I'm holding longer than my phone. So why not upgrade the infotainment system? It's for me logical, but it's all personal. So another question was about the radio station. So some of you guys asked if it's working, DAB and FM. So you can see DAB is working. And if I want to switch to, let's say, so there's no FM. Oh, let's see, here we have the FM stations. So you see it working. So there's no problem with the radio, it all works really fine. Maps work nice. All the apps super fluid. So I have some Chrome.
En hoe komt Callum Scott nou aan een duet met wijle Whitney Houston? Nou, hij deed dit nummer toen hij in 2024 het voorprogramma van Ed Sheeran was. Toen deed hij het in zijn eentje. Dat hebben de erfgenamen van Whitney Houston gehoord.
Let's look on the traffic now. So you see, it's definitely worth it. So let's say I want Spotify, is also possible. So some ordinary playlist. So the fluidity of the maps is astonishing. So let's see. Need to look out on traffic here. It's some busy spot. And the sound, I said it on my last video and also on the forum about in the comments. The music, so not on this level, but if you put the music on a higher volume, it sounded better for me. It sounds also better now, but I thought it was something, I hoped it was better, but I never thought about it before installing it, so that it could be better. But after the install, my wife took the car for her work, and she also came back to me in the evening. I said, the sound sounded different, it was better, it was more richer. So that's the same experience that I self had. So I think they're using some kind of higher bit rate or more performance power codec. You say it. I don't know because they don't say what's better, but you see it's night and day. So the old Intel Atom system, I read it was released in 2016, so 2106. And this system, the Snapdragon processor, it was released in 2023. So let's be clear, the car needed to be released with this chip or a comparable chip, I don't care, but this was the performance we expected of this car. It's all you see the cars now are all computers on wheels, so when the computer lags, when the computer is slow, it takes out the experience, the joy of driving the car. So some of you guys say, yo, what do you mean? Drive the car from A to B, don't care about the infotainment. That could be, but why am I buying a Polestar then? I could also buy, let's say, an old car that has no infotainment and where I'm fully reliant on my phone. It could be. But I bought this car with one expectation, is to be a nice infotainment system, nice hardware, nice screen. It all works fluently. So I say I drive it now a week, I think, so less than a week. No one crash, no hiccups, no ordinary lags, no stupid bugs. Everything works fine. And today I reached out to the store where I bought it from, VT store, and my contact there, Steven, said to me, the same unit you installed on your own car, the Polestar, is also the same unit that is installed on the newer Volvos. So the Volvo 2025 and later are also installed with that same unit, and the fluidity what you are experiencing with the Snapdragon is also present on those Volvo cars. So he said it could be possible that so he said this to me when I was in the shop for installing the software on this upgrade. He said it could be possible that the Volvo, the older Volvos, was also upgradable, and he was working on it. He was researching if it's possible. And today he reached out and said to me, "Okay, it is possible. It is possible to also upgrade the older Volvo cars. So if you have Android Auto, you can see if you have it about the apps and all. If you have that on your older Volvo, it's also possible to do this upgrade." So this is really great news. So the right to repair, to upgrade your car, it needs to be the most normal thing, but it isn't. So I encourage all the car dealers, the car manufacturers to also think about the long term when you produce a car. So there are also people 10 years, 15 years, 10 years, 12 years later buying your car, and when the computer you sold on that car 10 years ago is now lagging and not working, that's not good for your brand name, is it? So it's €1,000 a lot? Maybe it's a lot, but if I buy every year a new phone, you can skip 1 year. Skip 1 year of buying a new iPhone. Put that money in your car, upgrade the infotainment system and have more joy about it. That's my 2 cents, but it all depends on you personally. So I'm almost on my destination, guys. So if you have more questions, other questions, please feel free to reach out. I will try to answer them. If you need any help installing it, you can contact me. So the store, VT store, where I bought this upgrade, also sells, I read, abroad. So if you are from not the Netherlands or outside of Europe, you can, I think, also buy it from there, and they ship it, so there will be no problem. So that would be it. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.